What's good, YouTube? Ziplockdomo. You tuned back in the Domo styles. Today's video, I'm gonna give y'all step-by-step of what I typically do after I wash and condition my hair, which is throw in these big 2-strand twists. A lot of the time I end up leaving them in for a few days, maybe even a week or so. I typically put these in my hair to allow my hair to air dry, depending on how busy my day is or how busy my schedule is for the week or whatever. I just leave them in. I actually got requested a few times to show, a step-by-step of how I do that, so I figured I'd bring that to y'all today. I don't worry about parting or anything like that. They don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be anything like that, because at the end of the day, they look completely different once they're dry. When they're wet, they hang low. Once they dry, they'll shrivel up, not too much, but enough where there's a significant difference in the length of your hair. We're gonna get straight into it. If you didn't already, make sure you smash that like button, drop a comment. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We're gonna go crazy. I'm about to try to drop as many videos as I can, as many bangers. I'm gonna try to stay as consistent as possible. So if y'all enjoy these videos, please keep supporting the channel, showing me love, dropping likes, dropping comments, subscribing, sharing with your friends, family, all that. You guys can check out my merch on my website, vintageparadisellc.com. I also have all of the products that I use to record my videos, products that I use on my hair, and just products that I recommend on my Amazon. I'm gonna leave that link in the description as well. Without further ado, we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gone.
I ain't never in a drought. I ain't never in a drought.
Shop star.
All right. So first thing I'm gonna do, split it off into 2 sections. So once you got it into 2 sections, what you want to do is grab the hair that you intend to use, get a nice amount. So once you got a nice amount of hair that you want to twist together, you're gonna take your detangler brush, and I don't go all the way to the end. I try to get at least halfway. Once you get halfway, then I like to start from the bottom and work my way up to the middle. And it's all good. Now you take this, split it into 2 sections. Grab a little more. Split it into 2 sections. Once you got it in 2 sections, one goes behind the other. Just like that. You want to do that all the way down. I try to go all the way down to the very end. Don't leave no hair out. Once you're done, bow. You move on to the next. Like I said before, I put no type of parts in this. I'm literally parting with my fingers. There we go. All right. Once again, start from the top. Work my way halfway down. Once I'm halfway down, start from the bottom. Work my way up. Split it. I try to get them as even as possible, but it's not always 100%. So as long as it's close, that's cool. See if I can get a close up this time. Take the two. One goes behind the other. Sometimes you may need to brush it a little more when you get to the bottom. It's all good. There you go. Wow, that's two. This will be the last one for this side of my hair. Right side. And the left side.
Chop star.
final result. As you can see, it actually didn't take that long. I believe it maybe took me about 15 minutes to finish them all. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that I helped you guys learn a quick method to throw some quick twists in your hair just to get through the day or the week, whatever the case may be. It also is a good method to air drying your hair versus blow drying it with a towel or a t-shirt or anything like that. So if this helped you, please drop a like. Make sure you already subscribed. If not, please hit the subscribe button and also drop a comment. Till the next video, I'm gone.